Hello there, so we're going to go through the steel mace lateral lunge now. It has a lot of similarities with a standard lateral lunge with any sort of weight or even body weight. So we're going to go through the main differences that you have to incorporate with a mace. Now, same as a standard lateral lunge, we want to step off to one side, keeping the chest up and drop the hips down by bending the knee. We want to avoid that sort of dropping the chest down. Keep your chest up, you drop the hips. Okay, same as any other lateral lunge. Now with the mace, what we want to do is brace the arm down and try and bend the mace in half and keep the length pointing towards the opposite leg. So we bend, keep the chest up and come down. You can tweak this to be a little bit harder by bringing the mace head towards the loaded leg instead, and we can step either along the opposite leg or towards the loaded leg. Have fun with those slight changes to a normal lateral lunge and add it to your workout.